Welcome to Fisher Math. Let's solve this variation problem. X, Y, and Z related such that X varies directly as the cube of Y and inversely as the square of Z. If X is equals to 108, when Y is equals to 3 and Z is equals to 4, find Z when X is equals to 4,000 and Y is equals to 10. Here we must find the relationship between X, Y, and Z. In every variation problem, you must always find the relationship. Now, in this question, we need to interpret this question. We said the question said X, Y, and Z are related. So X, Y, and Z are related such that X is very directly as cube of Y. Cube of Y varies directly as the cube of Y, and inversely, right, at the square of the Z, square of Z. So, and this can also, in removing this variation sign, we're going to assume we have a K. So we have Y cube divided by Z square. Now, we need to substitute. If X is equals to 108 when Y is equals to 3 and Z is equals to 4, we stop there. So 108, S is 108 equals to K remains the same. Here Y is 3 cube divided by Z is 4 square. So at this point, we're going to cross multiply. We're going to have, here is going to be 27 now, 27K. So we have 108 times 4 square, cross multiply. We have 27K because 3 times 3 times 3 equal 27K. So we'll divide both sides by 27, and we're going to have 108 times 16, 4 times 4 divided by 27. And so we're going to continue and say is equals to K is equals to 64. When you divide the two, we're going to have K to be equals to 64. Now, we'll now substitute this value into this. So we have X equals to 64 Y cube divided by Z square, which is the relationship between X, Y, and Z. Now, we solve the problem. Now, we are told here that we cannot solve the problem, find Z. So, in finding Z, do a change of subject formula again, and that will give us Z square equals to 64Y cube divided by Z divided by X. We just interchange this or find the change of subject formula, and that gives us that X. So we now see, because they told us that X is equal to 4,000, we replace it by this. So we have Z square equals to 64 times Y is already giving us 10. So we have this divided by 4,000. Of course, this gives us 64 times 1,000 divided by 4,000. This cancels this. So this will give us 16. Will give us 16. 64 will give us 16. So Z square is equal to that. It implies that Z is equals to the square root of 16, which is equals to 4. So that is equals to 4 plus minus 4. So that is the solution. Z is equals to 4. Thank you for listening. This is Fisherman. Goodbye.